lot of pride in the fact that every shutter we make is custom built for our customer's project. So the first step in our process is to really understand what is your goal, what is your project, what does winning look like? So that means learning about whether it's a residential or commercial application, if you're focused on security or insulation, maybe privacy or light control. We have so many different use cases for rolling shutters that we want to know what you're going to use these for so that we can advise you on the best customizations to make on your order. Once you've worked with our sales team on building out exactly what you want, we'll send you custom drawings to make sure that you have all of the specs and all of the measurements that you need to make sure that's exactly what your project requires. Once you review your custom drawings and approve them, it then goes to production. Our facility in Phoenix, Arizona is focused entirely on building custom rolling shutters for customers across the country. Our highly skilled technicians will make sure that they build it exactly to your specifications, and along the way it'll pass through several different quality checks before we either put it together to be shipped, or you can pick it up, or it's installed locally here in Phoenix. Once that's done, we'll make sure that we warranty what we built for you for 5 to 7 years, depending on what kind of shutter you have. And we're going to stand behind what you've done and become partners with you as you protect your business, your home, and accomplish what you're seeking to accomplish with whatever project it is.